The apple cider vinegar tea is a quick way to drop pounds fast. You're going to start off just with a quarter cup of water. Then you're going to add your apple cider vinegar, enough to make it brown. Lemon to add that citrus. A little bit of honey to help with the sweetness, but not too much. A dab of cinnamon to help boost your metabolism. I have my tea to help with the taste because apple cider vinegar is not yummy at all. Now you can stop right here if you'd like, or if you wanted to help burn extra fat, you can use some cayenne pepper. Just a dab of that. Now you're going to drink this every morning, and I really want you guys to see how this helps aid with both digestion and fat loss. Now if you're a G, you can drink it like him. I can't do that. I drink it like my tea. Is it still good? No, it is not. It's something that you just have to deal with, and I promise you it's really going to help you shed those pounds fast. Do this every morning for the next 21 days.